They built it fast and left even faster. High on a limestone ridge above the southern coast of Cyprus, a city rose in the final days of the Bronze Age, Pyla-Kokkinokremos. Today it's a scatter of stone walls and red soil, but around 1200 BCE it was deliberate, ordered, fortified. The name means red cliff, but the builders carved it pale and precise. Gridded streets, terraced homes, storerooms sealed with goods from across a collapsing world, vessels from the Aegean, sealstones from Sardinia, weights from the Levant. This wasn't a refugee camp, it was a blueprint for endurance. And yet, within a single generation, it was gone. No fire, no conquest, no return. Just a full settlement deliberately abandoned, as if the people knew they wouldn't come back. The kind of silence that doesn't come from fear, but from finality. The place was carefully chosen. From the plateau they could watch the sea, but there was no water beneath it, no wells, no springs. Every drop had to be hauled from the plains below. A fortress with no roots, built high, but never meant to last. In the soil they left something stranger than architecture. In courtyards and hearths, archaeologists uncovered scorched bones, lamb mostly, broken not by hunger, but by intention. Long bones, cracked clean with fire, split deliberately, burned evenly. They weren't butchered, they were asked something. There's no writing at Pyla-Kokkinokremos. No shrine, no tablets, no visible gods. But the bones suggest a ritual, one eerily close to a tradition from half a world away. In ancient China, diviners would heat animal shoulder blades or turtle shells until they fractured, then read the lines like divine responses. These bones break the same way. But here, no one carved the answers. No one inscribed the questions. The fire spoke, and whatever it said, it was buried in silence. Was this a ritual born on the island, or something brought by migrants, a fading practice in a fading world? The site is unique in Cyprus. Nothing like it reappears. The fire-cracked bones were never seen again. And yet, the mystery remains so compelling that excavations resumed in 2025. New trenches, new questions, the same silence. Whatever they believed, it ended here. A city built with knowledge, abandoned with intention, and beneath the stone, no monument, no text. Only fire, only fracture, only the final question.